Number 17, 3 into a square plus 2a whole square minus 22 into a square plus 2a plus 40. Let's a square plus 2a equal x. So given expression a square plus 2a equal x, that means x square minus 22 x plus 40. Here we will be apply midterm rules. At first, coefficient of first term multiply with 40. (120). Now we will be find out the factor value of 120. 120 divided by 2 equal 60. 60 divided by prime number 2 equal 30. 30 divided by prime number 2 equal 15. 15 divided by prime number 3 equal 5. So two numbers are 5 to the 10 and 2 to the 4. 4 3 the 12. Now we can write 3x square minus 12x minus multiply plus equal minus 10x plus 40. Now first two terms we can take common value as 3x. Then we can write x minus 4. Next two terms we can take common value as minus 10. Then we can write x minus 4. This expression common value as x minus 4. Then we can write 3x minus 10. Now we will be putting the value of x. Value of x is a square plus 2a. Then minus 4. 3 into value of x is a square plus 2a. Then minus 10. So we can write a square plus 2a minus 4 into 3 multiply with a square plus 2a. So we can write 3a square plus 3 to the 6a minus 10. Number 18, a minus 1 into x square plus a square xy plus a plus 1 into y square. Let a minus 1 equal p, a plus 1 equal q. Here we will be apply multiply rules. A plus 1 into a minus 1 equal pq. By multiplying, this is the formula of a square minus b square. That means a square minus 1 square equal pq, or a square minus 1 equal pq. So a square equal pq plus 1. So given expression a minus 1 equal p, that means px square plus a square means pq plus 1 into xy plus a plus 1 means q y square. px square plus xy multiply with pq plus 1, that means pqxy plus xy plus qy square. First two terms we can take common value as px, then we can write x plus qy, plus next two terms we can take common value as y, then we can write x plus qy. This expression common value as x plus qy into px plus y. Now we will be putting value of p and q in this expression, so we can write x plus value of q equal a plus 1 into y, then value of p equal a minus 1 into x plus y. So we can write x plus y multiply with a plus y, that means ay plus y into x multiply with a minus 1 equal ax minus x plus y. Number 19, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 2, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 2 modify as 1 plus 1. First four terms we can try to apply the formula of a plus b whole cube, then we can write x cube plus 1 whole cube plus 1, 3 into a square means x square into b means 1 plus 3 into a means x into b means 1 square. This is the formula of x plus 1 whole cube plus 1 modify as 1 cube. Here we will be apply formula of a cube plus b cube. A means x plus 1 plus b means plus 1 into a square means x plus 1 whole square minus a means x plus 1 into b means 1 plus b square means 1 square. X added value of 1 and 1 equal to, here we will be apply the formula of a plus b whole square, that means x square plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square minus 1 multiply as x plus 1, that means minus x minus plus minus 1 plus 1 equal x plus 2 into x square plus 2x plus 1 minus x minus 1 plus 1, x plus 2 into x square, subtracted value of plus 2x and minus x equal plus x, plus 1 minus 1 equals 0, then plus 1. Number 20, a cube minus 6a square plus 12a minus 9, a cube minus 6a square plus 12a minus 9 modify as minus 8 minus 1. First four term we will be try to apply the formula of a minus b whole cube. A cube minus 8 modify as 2 cube minus 3 into a square into b means 2 plus 3 into a into b square means 2 square. Minus 1 modify as 1 cube. This is the formula of a minus 2 whole cube minus 1 cube. Now we will be apply the formula of a cube minus b cube. Here a means a minus 2 minus b means 1 into a square means a minus 2 whole square plus a means a minus 2 into b means 1 plus b square means 1 square. A added value of minus 2 and minus 1 equal minus 3. Here we will be apply the formula of a minus b whole square, that means a square minus 2a b plus b square means 2 square plus 1 multiply with a minus 2 equal a minus 2 plus square value of 1 is 1. A minus 3 into a square 2 to the 4 minus 4a plus square value of 2 is 4 plus a minus 2 plus 1 equal a minus 3 into a square subtracted value of minus 4a and plus a equal minus 3a. Simplify value of plus 4 minus 2 and plus 1 equal plus 3.